In this video, I will show you the simple setting to prevent your Android phone battery from overcharging and how to boost performance and boost your Android phone battery health without any stress. Let me show you how. First thing first, go ahead and open up your Android phone settings right here. Open up Android phone settings. And the next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here, all the way down until you get to battery and power saving. Go ahead and look for battery and power savings, and it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to charge. And the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to charging safety protection. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on AI charging protection. Go ahead and click on that. All you have to do is to make sure you turn on this particular button right here. It's that simple. This feature learns from your charging routine and suspend battery charging to more than 80% during long period of charging to reduce the battery aging and ensure safe charging. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about how best to use your Android phone and important settings on Android phone, consider subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.